Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing Virgin Atlantic and how they've decided to sell two of their Boeing 787-9s in order to pay off COVID-19 debts. The two aircraft have been bought by a company called Griffin Global Asset Management. But the aircraft will remain in Virgin Atlantic colours. This is because Virgin Atlantic are just leasing the aircraft from now on and do not own it anymore. This means their fleet will not get smaller, and it's kind of a long-term loan Virgin are doing here. Virgin Atlantic will receive £70 million for the sale of these two aircraft. Oliver Byers, Virgin Atlantic's Chief Financial Officer, went on to say this about the sale. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!